don't give a fuck. I'm a downshift on your ass. I don't care. They might finna come. They getting in that car a little too fast, y'all. Yo, YouTube, man. Today's video, we'll be doing my little POV drive in my 5th gen Camaro. I know it's not the best engine to do a POV drive, but hey, that's why we're making this video, and that's why we make other videos, man, so we can keep going and go for more, man. With that being said, let's go ahead and crank it up. Yeah, man. See y'all on the POV drive. Yo, so first, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the car on the inside, man. As you see, we got some trim lights, some ambient lighting right there with the red goods and the starlights. Starlights, they look terrible right now, I'm not gonna lie, but we is working on the starlights, man. But yeah, when we get to a better destination, we're gonna get right back into the POV drive. And just so you guys think, that's not my check engine light, that's my tire pressure. Off we go. Let's do a little 60 pull real quick. I don't know if these cops up ahead or not, but it shouldn't be. Matter of fact, let's just wait. Let's just be more safe, make sure these ain't no cops over here. Oh, nah, we good. These ain't no cops. I don't know if we ain't getting in the video, but let me let the windows up. Make sure ain't no wind getting up in here. My fault for that, y'all. I was trying to make the exhaust, baby, so you can hear the exhaust better, but probably too much wind in the video. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about a V6 Camaro. A lot of people hate it. If you got a little V6 Camaro, man, or a V6 at all, man, don't get bothered about other people's opinion for real. It's a good starter car for you, man. Definitely started spinning right there. I wasn't even that much in the gas and I started spinning right there. That's crazy. And it ain't even wet. Y'all can see it's dry. Hey, we pulled right there then. This baby waking up. Slow down. Going around the curve. Let's see if it's a car behind me. If not, we can do a little 0 to 60. I want to do it in drive though. I don't think it's no car behind me. Oh, people coming. Hold on, drop the first gear pull. I ain't go full throttle at first. I let off a little bit. Trying to keep control of my wheel, y'all. Cause one wrong move, like my hand could jerk over like that, and it's over with me, y'all. So, you know, I'm trying to make sure I stay safe myself. Damn. I don't give a fuck. I'm a downshift on your ass. I don't care. Talking about, I don't care. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I was going crazy back there. There ain't nothing they can do though. If you're not caught in the action, there's nothing that they can do, y'all. I need to get out this area. I'm cooked, y'all. I ain't gonna need a lot to y'all. Hold on. Cause I need to go up that road up there. I'm finna go act a donkey up that road. They might finna come. They getting in that car a little too fast, y'all. Getting some good crackle-lackles back there. Good pop. Let's do a good 30 pull right here. A 30. 30, man. That 30 put you in the back of your seat for real. Do another 30. I'm gonna do 40. That 40 slow. That 40 slow, man. But I wanna, appreciate y'all for tuning into this video, man. I feel this video long enough. So, man, if y'all boy wanna see more videos, I got another POV drive on my channel. I got a playlist of modifications for a Camaro. I do vlogs, I do all that for anybody that's new. If you wanna tune in, man, on my journey as we go for this, try to get this little Camaro SS, man, make sure y'all boy tune in. Appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure y'all tune in to my other stuff, and appreciate you for tuning in to this video.